say we don't kill you, boy. People who you know, you taking them bite and stashing it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Hey, Wagwan, Dancehall skilla there again. Blessed manners and respect to each and every one. But people, I have a topic that I want to talk about that I think is somewhat sad and in my point of view, it's bad at the same time. But before we get to that, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when police was doing what some people might call a search. Or the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show a person who had been searched by police within the country of Jamaica. Now, my people, I want to pay attention to the way how at least one person was behaving in this video that I'm about to present to you. Leave a comment or comments, let me know what you think about this type of situation. Please bear in mind that I can hear harsh language in this video. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Just make up for my body, people and church and say people ain't can't go somewhere, man. So where you force me from? Me want me back now? Where the f*** you when I'm from me so far? Oh, fuck you. Not in there. See here?
She search next one. Now you find yourself at the other yeah? Get a hold of yourself.
Ring. Tell you, got it. Oh, I know my bag, you know. I see him bag, you know. I see him bag. When cut up in weed, kid.
Come right as yourself. Come on.
Buy your bag, please. Search.
Come to the woman, man.
What the one is? Who's telling you, man? Who's telling you? Man. There's some wood stuff going on. There's some wood stuff.
See that a while ago, my people? I want to say big up and respect to calm and peaceful officers. Big up to law enforcers who do whatsoever they can to maintain peace and support and do certain things calm. And you know, in my point of view still, well, let me say it like this, you know, and you might not agree with what I'm about to say, and you might agree with what I'm about to say, but when it comes down to a situation like this, I think it helps to stay calm. See, and you know, just don't do certain things that might get yourself in trouble if you're not in trouble, or even if you are, don't make it worse. Situation they look away though. May understand that when it comes down to a situation like that, it can be frustrating to some civilians, but stay calm, you know. Don't do anything that can get you in trouble, is what I say. And I mean that with the most respect. I'm not being disrespectful. Is what I say? No, I'm not. Now I'm going to present to you pieces of videos that is about a situation that I find somewhat disturbing, viewers and subscribers. I am going to present to you pieces of videos that is going to show a person who had been accused of doing something inappropriate to a child. Or these pieces of videos that I'm about to present to you is going to show a person who had been accused of doing something inappropriate towards a child. Now, there are certain things about the situation I do not want to explain, viewers and subscribers. However, based on unconfirmed information that I got and based on some words that have been said in those pieces of videos, I got the understanding that the person who had been accused, had been confronted by some persons of a community viewing subscribers. I also got unconfirmed information that the person had been held. These pieces of videos shows something that somehow had been placed around the person's legs, close up to the knee area, or close to the knee area, and I got the understanding from at least one of those pieces of videos, or at least one of these pieces of videos somewhat showed some things that happened when a person slapped the person of your subscribers. I don't have any confirmed information to determine exactly where these pieces of videos have been recorded or where the accused person is from. And some words that I heard in these pieces of videos, I found them to be somewhat disturbing for your subscribers. However, I am going to present these pieces of videos to you, but I want you to please bear in mind that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for these pieces of videos. Observe with me.
Going nowhere. You're not going nowhere. You want to show a little child your big man like you. Now the child traumatized. And that is the first time you're doing it. Well, let me tell you, that's the last child. That's the child you ever do that. That's the last child. Yeah. You're lucky we don't kill you, boy. We're lucky because police want you. That's the only reason we don't kill you yet. Yeah, because we involve police. Now we take you for the police. The police not doing their job. They don't want to come and arrest you. We arrest you for the police. We arrest you. Give me a hard slap in his face. Give me a hard slap in his face. Yeah. I'm no little girl. You cannot a little child again. No. The police will deal with you. You come and you come in there. You come. So up. Why you put your you put your you want her to big man like you? You working for government? Make bomb. When you do that, you working. You don't know we want you. If you don't know we want you, we want you not now. We want you. You have to be ashamed of yourself. You have to be ashamed. Yeah. You going worldwide in your mother.
One of the best thing to do when it comes down to a situation like that is to let police handle a situation like that. Even though me hear at least one person mention police in a way that made me wonder certain things. You know, I wonder how some persons might feel about a situation like that. It's sad. It really sad. You know, it really sad. Huh? Anyways, my people, so that's one topic right there, so a really sad topic in my point of view. Horrible too, or bad in my point of view. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment or comments. Let me know what you think. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a person holding an object that looks like a knife. And that person was saying some words to someone. Based on how the situation looked, and based on words that had been said, it made me reach the conclusion that there was some type of an argument. Now, when I look at the video of your subscribers, I started to wonder certain things. I wondered who was video recording what was going on. I wonder if the video is of a real situation or not. And I wonder other things as well, your subscribers. Listen, even though I'm not totally able to understand everything that was said in that video of your subscribers, based on how the situation look, it look away. And I'm presenting this video to you to bring an awareness to a situation like this. And just in case, there's some people because it look away. But anyways, I don't know where the video was recorded. And let me know what you think about this, people. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Don't do this to me. Don't do this.
No, that don't look safe right there, some people. That don't look safe. You see me I say? Whether or not the video is of a real situation or not, based on what we see in the video, it made me assume that that don't look safe. And if someone decide to call the police, I can understand. You see me? Yeah. One of the best thing I think anyone can do when it comes down to a situation like that is to try and move away from that person and stay safe and call the police. Leave a comment or comments, let me know what you think, viewers, subscribers. One of the reasons why I present that video to you is because of the situation that I saw in the video itself. And I hope that this video can bring some form of awareness. Be careful. Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, is going to show a person who had been accused of taking a bike. But I'm wondering, who's the owner of that bike, viewers and subscribers? Now, I don't have any confirmed information to determine where this video will be recorded. I want you to listen carefully to some words that at least one person said in the video to someone who you can see holding what some people might call a motorcycle. Some people might say bike, some people might say motorcycle. My people. Anyways, viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Watch you, start shame people bike. People who you know what you getting now with. Bring out the map thing. You riding everybody, watch you riding up and down. People who you know, you taking them bike and stashing it. Stashing people bike in the bush. Yo, you guys explain not to know somebody park now. Good. Don't worry with all of you. Don't worry with all of them. Who want to pick up fear, you could come. Anybody who picking up fear, you could run and come. Bring out the bike now. Yeah. Are you come and pick up fear now? Yeah, we'll come now. We'll shut this up. Yeah. He walking across from mud for foot and them mother. Bring out the people bike. People accuse them me like him. I take bike and you take the bike. Yeah. Friend them there. He get new friend now CCTV. Bring out the bike now. People who you know mother you go picking up their bike. You push out the bike quick by you scratching me in the grass. Why you see it moving? Get him by Jewel. He rolling by Jewel. By Joy and Barra pick up the bike. It's not dog, so if you bring it there, put it there. Right? And somebody let the sister move it. Push out the bike by.
The amount of bad words me hear in that video there. Look at the person I moved that motorcycle from, or where the person called it in the video. Look at the person I moved that thing. Well, those videos caught my interest. Present them to you so you can look at them, people. So much things happen all over the world. You know, big up to all of my loyal viewers and subscribers. You know, big up to each and every single one of you. You see, here's where I'm going to leave it. And oh, by the way, I am not sure how that situation might have exactly turned out, but based on the video, me see, I can assume. Here's where I'm going to leave it. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, I'm Dancehall skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.